Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tale.
Welcome back.
Today we have, I always say the same thing.
Yeah, you do.
Today we have something different. Because it's different.
It is.
It's different.
It is.
I'm gonna let Miss Ninja here explain.
Let me tell you something, guys. I want to take you down through memory lane because I've been inspired for this recipe when I was in the vibrant and colorful New York City.
There is some memories that are worth to remember. Some others are not. And if you're tuning for the first time, please remember to subscribe down there.
Yes.
We're putting videos every week online and we have a lot of fun doing it.
And my name is Miss Ninja, and this is The Ninja.
Ninja. And this is not wine in a jar. This is Cuban coffee because I'm real tired and I need to bring this thing down.
There we go. So let's get to work.
Diarrhea might visit me tonight. You haven't said what you're doing.
Yeah, that's right. What we're making today is called Rainbow Bagel Salmon Sandwich.
You just came out with that name.
No, that's what it is.
You just came out with that
It's
name.
called Rainbow Bagel Salmon Sandwich.
What are you doing?
Well,
Oh, he's climbing up.
Scooby-Doo?
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? You're ready for it already. You're getting used to this thing, eh?
Yes.
You better go and like those videos over there, man.
He's getting spoiled. That's the problem.
Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Let's go for it.
Let's go and have fun. And for this recipe, as always, quick, simple, and fun, we're gonna start with our ingredients. 3 cups of red flour. Let's go ahead and put them in here. Our hot water. Let's pour our hot water here. 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna put my salt in one side. And 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, and we're gonna put it on this side. And that's it. Let's start mixing. What we're looking here is just to get all our ingredients mixed together. And let's turn them around. This is the consistency that we're looking at this point. Sticks a little bit to your hands, but in a few seconds you'll see what's gonna start happening. Let me go wash my hands real quick, and we're gonna start working in a clean surface. So let's go do it. So this is exactly what I wanted to show you. Look at this, how beautiful. But all we wanted is to put all the ingredients together. See how they won't stick to my hands? I already washed my hands, but we still want to be able to get this consistency. I end up using only about 1 cup and 1/4 of water. So what we're gonna do on a clean surface, we're just gonna sprinkle a little teeny beanie of flour so it won't stick to our table. We're just gonna set it up in here and put it like in a square, because we're gonna divide this in equal portions. So this is like a square, and we're gonna cut it with a very sharp knife in 4 pieces. Let's make sure they're even. There we go. We got our 4 pieces here. And we're just gonna make 4 little balls. Let me show you. Put them in the side. And this is our 4th one. What we're gonna start doing right now is using our colors. That's how we're gonna make a rainbow here. We have blue, red, green, and yellow. So let's get to work on our colors. Get your blue color, my favorite color. We're gonna put 4 drops of the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let the color run to the sides and then just fold it and fold it one more time. It's gonna get messy, guys, but don't worry about it. You just wash your hands with soap and the color, it's gone. So let's get to work with the blue one. Now it comes the kneading process. Gonna put just a little bit of flour in here, a little bit. We don't need that much. And this is how you do it. There we go. See how it's changing colors? Remember guys, 5 minutes. 5 minutes kneading the dough, and look at the color. It's just so beautiful. And this is the first one. This is the blue one. So now what we're gonna do is get a container to put our beautiful dough, and we're gonna let it rest until it doubles the size. And we're gonna do the same process with each one of them, and we're gonna start working on it. So let me get the container and show you what we need to do. We have our beautiful blue one ready. Just put them in a container, a glass one better. Get some saran wrap, and we're gonna cover it and let it rest for at least a good, I'd say 45 minutes until you see that it has doubled the size. I'm so excited. Let me show you what happens after 30 to 45 minutes when you have mixed each individual portion of the dough with each color. Look at this. Whoa, look how pretty. So we got the green one, we got the red one, we got our blue one, and we got the yellow one. Look at this, how pretty. What we're gonna do now is gonna start working with this and do the layers, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make your beautiful, awesome rainbow bagels. Let's take our green one. See how easy it comes out? And what we're gonna do now, just put teeny beeny, litty weeny of flour on your clean area so we can start working on this. And let's make like a little square. Now with the clean roller, we're gonna start rolling our dough. Roll, you roll and lift. Roll and lift. We have already our beautiful, colorful layers, one on top of the other. We're gonna cut this dough in 4 pieces with a very, very sharp knife. We're just gonna go all the way across. There we go. This is our first one. Look at this. Look how pretty. I love it. It's beautiful. Then we're gonna get our second one. It's about, I would say, about 1 inch. Don't forget to get water. Put them on top. And I'm gonna show you the reason why I'm laying one on top of the other one. We're gonna twist. You're gonna start twisting and twisting and twisting. And you see all the colors, how they're mixing? Look at this. Oh my God, this is just too pretty. Too pretty. This is art to me. Roll it around your hand and clip it or push it or press, and then just roll a little, and there we go. This one came out even better. You see the hole in the middle? In order to get on top of the bagel that shiny finish, you have to boil them for 30 seconds total, 15 seconds on each side. You're gonna put them in there. Let's put one in, and let's count 15 seconds. 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 3rd Mississippi. We're gonna flip them, and we're gonna count another 15 seconds again. Now they're dry, so into the oven. 18 minutes, 375.
Well, do you see that? That's a beautiful sandwich right there, guys.
Beautiful.
This is the most beautiful sandwich I ever ate in my life. So, I mean, it's time to give it a good try.
Yes, so
Let's go for it.
let's go for it.
What is that donut you have there?
Oh, I'm gonna tell you about this one right here in a second. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Look at this.
Look at that.
It is just beautiful.
Let's go for it. Wow, guys, this is so good.
It is so good.
I mean, that smoked salmon is amazing.
And you have the texture in the outside. Can you taste it of a bagel?
Definitely super good.
It's like hard in the outside and smushy in the inside, just like a bagel.
It's really good. I mean, there is no flavor in the colors at all, but it's a real good bread, guys.
Kids, wake up your parents so they can make it for you.
Don't work at your parents. Why?
Or ask them for permission so you can do it, okay? What do you think?
No.
What then?
I mean, do it with your parents. I love it. It's really good, really tasty. The only thing that is missing for me is a few
Capers.
capers on the salmon. Some people don't like capers, so that's okay with me. I mean, it's really good.
And for me, this is a home run. I got it. I tried. I got inspired by New York.
Yeah.
I love you, New York. Vibrant city.
This is the project that Miss Ninja got involved the most with.
Yes.
Till now, she tried and tried. She's been trying all week to come out with this thing. And the results are amazing, as you can see.
Yes,
I really like it.
And I also tried to make the keto one. I mean, it doesn't look as good as this one here.
It's pretty ugly.
Yeah. But let's cut it. You want to try to see how it works?
Let's cut it up.
Look at it. Look at
Ah.
it. Not that bad. And this is a surprise because I didn't cut it or nothing. I just went ahead and did the recipe.
It looked like a flower. Look at that.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's awesome.
Try a little piece to see how it is. And I'm going to eat more of this. Guys, I'm on my keto. Follow me on my new adventure. I'm going to go for it 100%.
It tastes like almond. And I love almond, so I really like this one. Really tasty. Oh, a lot of taste.
A lot of
More
taste.
taste than the other one, for sure. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please hit it with a like.
Yes.
If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
And if you have anything to say, you know what it is. Down there in the comments. So that's what you have, guys. Let us know if you like it. Let us know if you would do it. Let us know if it's interesting to you, these kind of videos. And I'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one. And we love you.
Love you.